The object Oumuamua, first observed in late 2017, created a significant stir due to its unusual orbit and mysterious nature. Believed to have originated from interstellar space, it raised concerns about its potential impact on Earth. Some theories suggest it might be an alien spacecraft or a probe sent to observe or possibly prepare to attack Earth. Join us as we explore the journey and implications of Oumuamua, delving into whether it could be an extraterrestrial comet or an alien probe. Alien probes often conjure images of human experimentation stories from the 1960s. However, Oumuamua, a cigar-shaped interstellar object, was detected approximately 25 million miles from Earth. Scientists, including Harvard's Avi Loeb, have speculated that it might be a spacecraft from another world. Oumuamua, detected in fall 2017, traveled through the inner solar system, marking it as the first known interstellar object to enter our solar system. Its discovery sparked excitement and speculation among astronomers. NASA's Thomas Zurbuchen noted that its arrival provided direct evidence of a second solar system. Oumuamua's peculiarities, including its shape and lack of a cometary tail, led scientists to propose various hypotheses. Some suggested it was composed of hydrogen or nitrogen ice, possibly ejected from another planetary system. Its elongated shape, initially thought to be 10 times its width, was later revised to more accurately depict its form. Adding to the mystery, Oumuamua's acceleration as it left the solar system puzzled scientists. Unlike comets, which typically show visible outgassing, Oumuamua exhibited no such activity. This led to various theories, including the possibility of it being a fragment of a larger object, or even an artificial structure designed by an advanced civilization. Harvard's Avi Loeb proposed that Oumuamua could be an alien spacecraft propelled by light, given its thin structure and non-gravitational motion. This theory aligned with the concept of light sails, a technology demonstrated by various space missions. Another theory by Alan Jackson and Steve Desch suggested it could be a fragment of nitrogen ice, ejected from a Pluto-like object by a massive collision. This would explain its reflective surface and the observed non-gravitational acceleration without the typical cometary tail. Whether Oumuamua is an alien probe or not, its visit has provided valuable lessons for astronomers. It has inspired projects like Breakthrough Starshot, which aims to send small robotic probes to interstellar objects at high speeds. Future missions could offer closer inspections of such intriguing objects, enhancing our understanding of the cosmos. Modern astronomers face significant challenges in sending spacecraft to explore objects like Oumuamua. Potential methods include solar sails, wormholes, or warp drives, but these concepts remain largely theoretical. The endeavor to follow or intercept Oumuamua would require advanced technology and an understanding of cosmic forces that we have yet to achieve. Despite the hurdles, the pursuit of interstellar exploration continues. Projects like Breakthrough Starshot aim to pave the way for such missions within the next few decades. While capturing Oumuamua may not be feasible, the knowledge gained from its visit will better prepare us for future encounters with interstellar objects. Thank you for joining us on this journey. For more mind-blowing videos about space, be sure to click on the video on your screen.